And walk. Good. Walk. Thumbs. Good. Look at her. She's excited. See if you can slow the canter. Fix your toes. Nose down.
She's breathing so heavy. That's so funny.
Yeah, so what do we got to fix in that? Feet. Yes, thank you. I was hoping you would say that.